Hey, welcome back to First Time Feasts. I got a good one for you. I picked up a new toy. I got the Blackstone breakfast kit. Everything you need to be a professional pro, all on the griddle. Let's get it. So with this guy, it's got a batter dispenser, a bacon press, and egg rings. Looks like 2 egg rings. So some other accessories are basting covers. It's the hamburger kit, some grease cups. I got those, and some grill seasoning. So we got 2 out of the 4. Pretty soon we're gonna catch them all. We got over the contents. Let's get her open, get her cleaned up, and put her to use. All right. What's in the box? Oh, okay. I seriously thought I broke it already. That's all right. Next time on Dragon Ball Z, we'll see how we can open up the fucking package. Okay. Is it? But it's like already rusting out of the package. That's a keeper. All right. Maybe the rest is just a flavor enhancer. I feel like Uncle Eddie.
Need help with the grill, Eddie?
No thanks, Clark. Don't have one.
Just throw it on the rocks. It'll be fine. Wash off. Now we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna make some breakfast. We're gonna play around with some stuff. We got some sausage, we got some eggs, we got some stuff to make some pancakes. All the accoutrement that you're gonna need to make a breakfast on the griddle. First things first, we're gonna go ahead and fire up and test out the Blackstone air fryer. I have never used this before. I'm really excited to see how it works. So this is the Blackstone Culinary Edition. This is not your standard Blackstone. This one's a little bit of a step up. It's not the best one on the market, but it's pretty sweet. It's a low, a medium, and a high setting. So the low is going to be a range of 375. The medium is going to be 375 to 425, and the high, if you want it like Darth Vader, Anakin, super crispy, you're going to go ahead and put it at 425 to 475. So we're going to start a little bit in the middle, and then we'll crank it up as we need it. All right, so we got our hash browns. We're going to go ahead and toss in a couple. So we got 5 in there comfortably. I'm not going to eat 5 hash browns, so this is a good starting point. And away she goes. Just kidding. There, and away she goes. We got air fryer on, breakfast potatoes in. We're gonna fire up the griddle top, and we're gonna go ahead and get our pancakes and bacon. Nope, we don't even have bacon. I don't know why I keep saying bacon. I'm gonna put my sausage on there because that's not really gonna need that much time or that much effort. I'm just gonna let it go, let it sear, let it do its thing. On the left side, it's gonna be a little bit more artsy fartsy. I'm gonna be cooking my bacon or my pancakes on there. We're gonna go medium to medium low on the left side because we don't want it to be that hot. And then on the right side, we're gonna crank her up a little bit. We're gonna go to the max. So stopped off. Oh, yeah. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get our sausage out of the package. We're gonna go ahead and just kind of. Oh, yeah. You hear that sizzle, folks? There's no sizzle. Oh man. I really want to test out this Blackstone pancake shooter. It's kind of, to be completely honest with you, like it feels really thin, but I can see the function and practicality of it. So I want to put it to the test. I want to see how versatile it is on the grill, and honestly what kind of weird silly shit I can do with this thing. So let's see what we can do. So that's the first thing we gotta do. Let's make some damn pancakes. Now we're doing an all-purpose baking mix, only the best. Got our flapjack dispenser all ready to go. We're gonna turn our heat down and we're gonna get ready to cook. Story time. So when I was a kid, there was a restaurant in Grand Lake, Colorado, or near Grand Lake, Colorado, that was called the Chuck Wagon. And I think it's actually still there today, but they had the best pancakes I've ever had in my entire life. And sadly, it took me like all through my teenage years to figure out the fucking secret to their pancakes. Butter. They literally fry their pancakes or cook their pancakes in butter. Shouldn't be that much of a moment, but I mean to tell you, if you cook your pancakes in butter, they are ridiculous, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and throw down a little knob of butter. Butter slide down the grill. And then we're gonna get it kind of seasoned up a little bit, because what we wanna do, we wanna fry our pancakes and butter. I'm going to turn my heat down because this looks like it's way too hot. We're going to go ahead and use our flapjack dispenser, see how this thing goes. I don't know what the squeeze to pull ratio is with this, so we're just going to kind of figure it out. Let's go. Oh, it's kind of a slow pour. Okay, I believe in you. That's probably good for a little guy. It had its Metamucil in the morning. Got its fiber. For those of you that have never made pancakes before, I did pancakes when I was in kindergarten as a show and tell. I was that little special autistic kid in the corner that was like, I'm going to bring pancakes for everybody. So at an early age, I learned that when your pancake starts to bubble, it's time to flip. Actually, just kidding. It's when your pancake starts to bubble and then stops bubbling is when it's time to flip. I almost forgot what I learned. Just to make sure they get crisp on all sides. Ooh, that's hot. Sausage. It looks like our sausage is just about done. Oh no! No, let's go largest to smallest, because that makes more sense. We're going to stack them. Perfect. Go right on top. No! Don't do it. Make a little bit of a larger pancake. Oh, not the plastic! Welcome back! Let's get our big old turd burglar of a pancake going.
One eternity later.
Well, that's about all she's got in her, Captain. And throw some breakfast right in here. That one. And then that one. Just gonna drizzle on just a little bit of leaven. And then we're gonna finish her off with just a little bit more pancake. Do now while we got our breakfast abomination cooking. I think it's like, please help me. I'm not feeling all right.
Yeah, I mean, you know, when you sewed me up, you put some of the stuffing in the wrong places, so I'm a little fucked up.
Hey. So last summer I burnt the shit out of myself with molten lava syrup. So like that was giving me flashbacks just seeing it on there. I'm like, don't touch it. Don't you do it. That shit's hot. It'll stick. It'll burn. It'll keep burning. Don't do it. Just don't even. Shh. What do we call this thing? Dennis Quaid? Like, I don't know what you want to call it. Like, these are pretty sweet. If you have never used them, they are extremely expensive. They're like $10. Each package that you get comes with one of these things. It's like a Vital Time newsletter that makes you feel like less bad about buying eggs. And then you get to see like the chicken grow up or something. You can like donate it to UNICEF. I don't know how exactly it works. But you get these eggs. They're pretty. They are always different colors. It's like a scavenger hunt. And then the egg yolks are usually really orange. So we're gonna crack it open. So that one's pretty nice. And we're gonna go ahead and check this one out. And there you go, pretty nice. Come on, Dennis. Hash browns. Forgot about the hash browns. Let's go ahead and check on those, see how they're going. Perfect. They're beautiful, nice and golden brown. So we're gonna go ahead and pull these guys out real quick. There we go. Look at that. That's like the reverse tablecloth trick. All right, so breakfast is ready, man. We got our pancakes, we got our sausage, we got our hash browns and our googly eye eggs. Those things look super, super delicious. We're just gonna go ahead and finish off with a little bit of syrup, and then we're gonna dig in and get after it. All right, so honest review time. This pancake griddle kit is actually pretty sweet. We made some pretty cylindrical, pretty perfect pancakes. We made some awesome sausage, some really, really beautiful looking eggs. I mean, between the Vital eggs and those egg rings, I don't know if I've ever seen eggs that look that gorgeous. The hash browns came out perfect on the air fryer. Overall, this Blackstone griddle is fantastic. Highly recommended if you haven't picked one up. Go to your local store, grab one. These are great. We are not sponsored in any way. I'm just really, really impressed with this product so far. So thanks for watching today's episode. On the next episode, we're going to do a brisket. Check it out. Quick, almost forgot about Dennis. Let's just see how, Hey, actually, I will see if we can get in here. Where's our sausages at? Alright. There she is. Let's see. That's actually freaking awesome. That's like a... It just needs a little bit more syrup. Hold on, we gotta get some syrup on this. That's very similar to a McGriddle. Like, honestly, like... I'm very happy right now. Maybe there's a little bit of egg to add to this guy. Maybe next rendition we do some sausage and egg in here. But this is great. Yep. Be breakfast pro. To be a breakfast pro on the griddle. You ready? You already filming? Quit. All right. This is a four-piece professional griddle. So we got the Blackstone griddle kit all out of the box and ready to go. So what we're so we got. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get our sausage out of the package. That's what I tell my lady every night. And she says, "Put it away," and I'm just like, "But why?"